It's like first-person shooter game. First-person shooter.
Let the darkness take control.
To the channel. I'm Lambro Steve. Today I am at a cabin in the woods, and here in just a minute I'm gonna set this camera down over here, and we're gonna fire the Lamborghini AR15. I'll do some slow-mo. We're about to have some fun. Stay ready. Okay, all right, here we are. I'll show you guys. We are on safety because safety first, and then here's what the gun looks like. The Lamborghini with the gold bolt. We've already fired it a few times. This thing is sick. Carbon fiber here. Carbon fiber barrel. This thing's pretty bad to the bone. Now, if you have earphones in, I'm warning you right now, this is gonna be loud. So get ready. Safety off. I'll give it one good pop, and then we'll do some, you know, quick ones, okay? Try to not destroy that tree. Oh. Oh my God! It's amazing. Oh, if you have not ever fired an AR-15, you have got to get one. I mean, I've owned this for like a year and a half, and I've never fired it until today, folks. This thing is pretty bad to the bone. Woo! Fired up. You get quarantined from COVID, don't worry folks, just get you a Lamborghini AR, you'll be good. Later. Okay, it's time for my gun expert homie, Abron, to give this thing a shot. So let's get real close so you can actually see the action. I hope I don't bust my lens with the
You're all right.
A round coming out, a shell. Oh my God, dude, when you're right here, you can feel the percussion of it. Like, was that it?
Yeah. That was
it. I guess I did fire more. I thought I had 10. How many were in there?
Oh, probably
five, six. Yeah. Wow. So I think something flew. Oh yeah, sorry, flew on the screen. But oh my God, you can feel that in your chest when you're right here next to it.
Yeah.
I could feel it more than when I was shooting it. Just the boom, 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 boom. All right, gun game. We'll be back. All right, Lambros, we went to the iPhone. We went from Lamborghini AR to Lamborghini 45. We're riding in the ATV. Say hey, Aaron. And we're just out hitting some trails in the ATV. Looking for something to kill, but we're at these cabins called Clear Sky Ridge. You can rent them, they're pretty cool. A couple different cabins out in the middle of nowhere, Arkansas, where there's no reception. Right now we're hiding from coronavirus, so super safe out here. We got ATVs, we got the national forest that we're riding through. We got like acres and acres of like trails to ride. We're shooting ARs, we're shooting 45s. We're not really hunting, just having fun. And we're getting ready to whip around the edge of the property and head back up to the cabin. And we'll see what other kind of shenanigans we get into. But pretty like empty out here. We are the only humans we've seen.
Well, you got 1.8 million acres
of killing a black bear, but not as much as the AR won't do as good a job. So we're coming up on some water. Here we go, folks. Woo! You're getting dirty in here, boys. All right, Lambros. We're about to attempt this crazy hill climb. The terrain is rough, but I think we can make it.
Oh, whoa, that is so much more washed out.
Look at that. It's jacked, bro. Do it. Look, you got all this hill over here.
Hang on, let me go walk it first.
All right, boys, we got a flat tire. Watch this. Quit! we're about to do this hill climb, but Aaron got out to go walk it, and on his way back he realized we have a flat. Like 5 minutes ago he asked me, is that front right flat? And I'm like, looks fine to me. Oh, we're going four-wheeling. Okay, here we are, folks. He's got a winch, so we ain't gonna have no problem, but I thought I'd get out and film him coming up the hill. You're real good. You got lots of room. Also got the Lambo gun out, just in case we run into any trouble. In case I see a lion out here. This is the rest of the trail. Oh, here we go. He said that's the tough part. Oh, you plenty got it. Way good. Oh, yeah. We made it. Woo! Woo! Look, it's like first-person shooter game. First-person shooter. Okay. That was fun. All right, we made it into the massive cave. So this is a cave that we came in. That's a different ATV, but we're parked down there. It started raining. So this cave goes all the way about 40 yards back. I'm gonna walk through it here. It's so scary. It's so scary. It's so scary. And it comes out the other side. Pretty crazy.
You ready?
Okay, homies. It started raining. We went through the cave, met some cool peeps from Texas, and now we're heading back to the cabin. But I thought I'd get some